Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there's quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comment, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU 1906. And friend, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you will get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered a topic called outstanding difference and mode of operations. This topic I've covered, friends. Okay. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how her subconscious responded. This topic, friends. Okay. And friends, this is ninth number video, and the topic is how her subconscious responded. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. A woman wrote me a few months ago as follows. So a woman wrote to author Joseph Murphy few months ago. So let us see what the woman wrote to the author Joseph Murphy. I am 75 years old, a widow with a grown family. So here the lady is telling, the woman is telling, I am 75 years old, a widow with a grown family. I was living alone and on pension. So she said I was living alone and also on the pension. I heard your lecture on the power of the subconscious mind, wherein you said that the ideas can be conveyed to the subconscious mind by repetition, faith, and expectancy. So, here the lady said to the author Joseph Murphy that I have read your one lecture in which you have said that through repetition, faith, and expectancy, so we can convert our ideas into reality. I began to repeat frequently with feeling I am wanted, I am happily married to a kind, loving, and spiritual minded man. I am secure. So the woman said that I keep on being repeatedly telling to my mind, I am being. I means the affirmation she kept on repeating. I began to repeat with the feeling. So by feeling, she started repeating, I am wanted. I am happily married. So she said, I am wanted and I am happily married, and I have a kind, loving, and spiritual minded man, and I am secured. So she said, I always used to repeat in this my mind. I kept on doing this many times a day for about 2 weeks. So she said, I kept on doing this many times a day about 2 weeks. And one day at the corner drugstore, I was introduced to a retired pharmacist. So one day she said at the corner drugstore, I was introduced to a retired pharmacist. So he was a retired pharmacist. I found him to be kind, understanding, and very religious. So he said that she found her to be kind, understanding, and very religious person. He was a perfect answer to my prayer. So she said that that man was a perfect answer to her prayer. With a week, he proposed to me, and now we are on our honeymoon in Europe. So the lady said in a week that man have proposed to me, and now I have came to the honeymoon in Europe with that man. I know that the intelligence within my subconscious mind brought both of us together in divine order. So she said, I know the intelligence mind in the subconscious mind have brought both of us together in the divine order. This woman discovered that the treasure house was within her. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling that this woman discovered that the treasure house of the woman was within her. Her prayer was felt as true in her heart. So she said her prayer was felt as true in the heart, and her affirmation sank down by osmosis into her subconscious mind. So she said that her affirmation sound down osmosis into her subconscious mind, which is the creative medium. So she said that which is the creative medium. The moment she succeeded in bringing about a subjective embodiment. So the moment she succeeded in bringing a subjective embodiment, her subconscious mind brought about the answer through the law of attraction. So through the law of attraction, her subconscious mind brought the answer to her. Her deeper mind, full of wisdom and intelligence, brought both of them together in the divine order. So, her deeper mind, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that her deeper mind, who is full of wisdom and intelligence, brought both of them together in the divine order. Be sure that you think on this. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us that we should be sure to think on this. Whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest. So whatsoever things are true and whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure. So whatsoever things are just and whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely. So here author is telling whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are good report. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling whatsoever things are good report. If there be any virtue, so if there are any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on this thing, and if there is any praise, we should think on this thing, friends. Okay, Phil, chapter 4 verse 8. So here, friends, this the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. And friends, this topic came to an end, and in our today's topic I have covered the concept called how her subconscious responded. This topic, friends. Okay, how her subconscious responded. And in our next video I'm going to cover this topic called brief summary of ideas worth remembering. So this topic I'm going to cover in the next video, friends. Okay, so friends, this video came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care. And I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.